Hi guys, today's video I'm building a project for a friend. She teaches first grade and so she has tablets that she has to keep charged and store, and so I built this docking station. Interesting fact, this is the project I was building last weekend when I had my table saw mishap. Contrary to what I said in that video, I am not continuing to use the blade guard. Now that we covered that, on to the video. So I stained the bottom instead of the back. Am I shouting? Ah! So annoying. What's that? No, that didn't work either. As always, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe and let me know that you like watching my videos. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I talk to